Here today at Table Rock State Park, hiking Table Rock. So should be a good hike today. Should have some really nice vertical. I'll put all the stats at the end of the video like always, but pretty pumped. It's a hot one today. It's about 86 degrees here in South Carolina, and should have some pretty killer views at the top of this park, so at the summit. So looking forward to it. Got Gus out here. He's having a good time. I don't think Gus ever has a bad time. But, hike's going pretty good so far. Definitely have a lot of shade here with the canopy overgrowth around. As you can see, it's pretty shady pretty much all around me, which is great not only for me, also for my man Gus. And I'm stopping for a lot of water breaks too, so let's keep chugging along. Definitely a hot one today. So we're about a little over halfway up right now. And I thought it was gonna be a little breezier and a little cooler when we got out of Greenville today, but it's hot. So a lot of big rocks and stuff right now we're climbing over and through. So it's kind of really cool. It's almost like a rock garden for God or something. It's crazy, but having fun still, even though I'm sweating my ass off. And Gus is a little bit struggle muffin with the heat, but we've done worse. He'll be okay. As long as we keep stopping for water on a regular basis, he'll be fine. So just keep trucking along. We are now on top of Table Rock Ridge, so we should only have maybe another half a mile before we actually get to Table Rock. But it's going pretty good. This is pretty flat now and pretty shady, so having a good time. Currently at Governor's Rock, which is 2854 above sea level, and this is the first of two scenic overviews. Obviously, absolutely gorgeous view. So we're gonna take a quick break here and keep trucking along. at the top of Table Rock Trail. It's got an amazing view. This is a reservoir that feeds Greenville right behind me. And time to turn around and get back to the car. Hiking down now from the top lookout point and also the summit, Table Rock, and really good hike so far. I haven't done too many videos while I'm actually walking. It's really, there's some rocky staircases, a little bit of loose crap here and there. So just if you do decide to go on this hike, just keep that in mind and make sure you're careful, have secure footing, wear the proper footwear, all that good stuff. So let's keep chugging along. So come to the end of Table Rock Trail hike. Went about 7.5 miles, and which was about a little over 2,200 feet in elevation, vertical. And then also we kicked some butt today on our steps too, as we dominated the Fitbit game. But definitely recommend doing it if you feel up to it. It's not a novice hike by any means, so just be prepared for it. If it's a hot day, bring plenty of water and or a water filter. There's not many places to fill up with water, so that was definitely one of my concerns, especially with Gus. So if you bring a dog, just have the same mindset. But absolutely great view at the top, obviously killer view, and super happy we did this. And so I'll see you in the next one.